Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove any filter from TikTok video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then just tap at that plus sign to start creating a video, and let's say I want to add some effect to that video. I can just tap at that effects icon, and now I can select any effect from that big list of effects, and after that the effect immediately applied to that video on the screen. You can see the result just like that. And if you want to toggle that effect off, all you have to do is just hit on that effect one more time, just like that. Now it shows you just your regular camera without any effects or any filters. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.